how to change phone number on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can change phone number on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your phone number on Facebook, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application. Then just tap the three lines option from the top right, tap the gear icon from the top right, then just go to Meta Account Center tab. When you come to Meta Account Center, go to the option called Personal Details. Then after that, just tap on Contact Info. As you tap on Contact Info, select your current phone number here. All you have to do is now select your Facebook account, and then you'll find the option called Delete Number. So first, just make sure to delete the number. After you've done that, you'll be able to add another number, and as a result, this will change your phone number on Facebook. This way you'll be able to change phone number on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.